Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lesson. Word for today is a very interesting word. And the IsiXhosa language in its entirety, it's a word called Thwaxa. Thwaxa. Now, Thwaxa, synonymous with mblaca, is the sound. It's a ridiculously loud sound that a hand makes when connecting with your face during the process of a Xhosa person smacking the shit out of you. This is also known as uqhushek'inkunz'empama. Thwaxa can also refer to the response given by a thick, curvy Xhosa booty when you smack it. It says Thwaxa in response. Now, a small skinny ntsula, a small skinny Xhosa ntsula. Now, when you smack it, it might say mblaca or not respond at all. Thwaxa, pronounced as thwa-xa, thwa-xa. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.